Okay, just start taping myself. Beautiful. What the heck? What the heck? There is Pecan Pie eating. Pecan Pie. Are you eating, baby? Are you eating, baby? Yeah, 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 baby. Yes, she likes her food. Yeah, yeah, baby. Yeah, 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 baby. You okay? You okay, baby? Chupu, chupu, chupu. Yeah. I love that I can at least do something for her. Like I say, I wish I could bring her home, but unless my cat die, I can't. Yeah, it's very mad that she finished. I don't know where she goes. She go. Oh, she goes way in the back. And there's a hole. Okay, it's time for me to go back. Take the light. Take this too. And take this. Bye, baby. Bye. Okay. I have to. Oh, sorry, guys. I forgot the camera. I have to wash my fingers. I hate cat food fingers. It's nasty. Don't like it. What are we going to do? Yay, there's some garbage here. Ching. Okay. I just need my keys now. Keys. There. Then I will go look for treasures, for shit that people throw on the street. And maybe sometimes I like stuff, something. But with this weather, I think even if there is gold outside, I wouldn't go. It's just too nasty. The weather sucks. Oh, cold, cold, cold. Okay, now, you see, I use this sound so she will get used to. So one day I can hopefully shake her. Now I can turn it off. Okay, that's it, let's go. Well, that's it, guys. Until the next time I go feed Pecan Pie. Okay, bye.